have a temperature.
Do it.
Good morning. Today I'm making a lot of videos. So, see, you can get ready for what? Oh, what is it? Ow, what is that? Ow, stop! Well, stop! Oh, shit! God, I'm tired. I got enough kindness. Oh, stop! Will, stop! Will, stop! Will, stop! Stop! Will, stop! Will, stop! Will, stop! Holy! Get him! Stop! You. Well, stop! What are you doing? Stop! Son! Stop! You freak! Ah! Stop! Why is there one noise a day? Yeah. Yeah? Yeah? Sleeping what? Yeah? Yeah. Sleeping what? We'll do your homework, yeah? Do your homework, yeah? Do your homework, yeah? So, do your homework, yeah? Do your homework.
No, I don't think so. You know, only thing that was kind of concerning this week was
do your homework right now. No? Do your homework right now, or you'll be grounded. Do not do anything. Do you understand?
I do have to call you guys.
Do you understand? Do your homework, gal.
Yeah.
Do your homework, gal. Do your homework right now.
Yeah.
Do your homework right now.
Yeah, it should be.
You need do your homework
we haven't
right now. Oh wow. Yeah? We're doing your homework. Do your homework right now. Well, get out of here.
Chris, let her go in the kitchen. You come out here. You come in here.
What?
Come in here, buddy. Let her go play with the letters on your.
Well, now, go your room.
Chris.
Go your room. You're grounded. You're not. You're grounded.
Go sit down.
You're grounded.
Go sit down.
You're grounded. Yeah? Hello?
Sit down.
You're grounded.
Go sit down.
You're grounded. I cannot believe this. Look at that. Look, it's grounded, yeah?
Yes.
Look, it's grounded, yeah?
Okay.